Hello, welcome back to Learn Computing with Daniel Bullen, with me, Daniel Bullen. In this video, I'm going to go over an assembly language question in a GCSE Computer Science Unit 2 paper via the WJEC exam board. But before I do, please remember to click that like and subscribe button, click that notifications bell down below, and write a comment down below. And share this video far and wide. So without further ado, I'm going to go into an assembly language question. Okay, 4 and 4, 8 marks. Nice and easy. Okay, so these questions are state the assembly language mnemonic for each of the following. To output the value, load, store, add two numbers together. Output the value, self-explanatory. Take away the put, you go out. Load is going to be LDA. That's going to load an instruction. Store a value. You got ST, which is a giveaway, and just have A. Some people tend to do STR, but in the case of the WJEC spec, it's STA. I've been taught to say that it's STA. Some people say STR, some say STA, but I've always been taught STA. So use STA. Then add two numbers together, nice and simple, just add. And bosh. Nice and easy. This one, we need to write an assembly language program that loads two values, adds them together. So, how are we going to do this? So, we need to input two values first. We need to input them to store them. And you can use store 99, which is what I like to do. So store 99 means we're storing a number in RAM address 99. And then what we're going to do, we're going to do another imp, we're going to add 99. If you do two at the same addresses, and I'm going to show you that, you'll see that you'll get two different results. And then what we need is out, which is output, and then HLT, which ends the program. And bosh. That is our two questions. But I'm going to show you part B in particular. So I'm on my simulator, and what I'm going to do with that code, I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to bung it into the simulator. Right. And I'm going to show you what happens when you do the two different addresses. So let's also do address 1 for argument's sake. Submit. Run. So that's going to go between the CPU and the RAM. I'm going to enter number 4. Right, that should not have halted. With WJC being WJC, it's almost like they cannot code properly. So I'm going to try 99. So I'm going to try 4. And then I'm going to try another 4, which is in the same address, which will be found in address 99. And then what's going to happen is it's going to accumulate up to output the 8. So that's the way to do that from the same addresses. So if it's from the same address, it's going to add up. But if I was to do store, if I was to say store for argument's sake, so store in address 99. Let's just change the code a little bit just to see. So I'm going to try 4. If that's how is held up, but A. I'm going to try 4 again. The output is going to be an 8. Yep, it's going to do all its other bits and pieces. So that's how I put in an 8, because so we've added two numbers and we're getting it from the same address. So let's say I was to try and do, say, 60. Get two numbers from different addresses. Watch what's going to happen. It's not going to add the 2 up. So I'm going to add 4. Then I add 4. It does in this case. But it doesn't always. Okay? So, but they didn't want the extra STA. This was all they wanted. As far as WJEC are concerned, and as far as we're concerned, the answer that we've tested and tried is the correct way, which will get you 4 marks. And just by doing question 2, walk in a park, 4 marks, straight in the bag, and bosh. Okay? So, if you like this video, please remember to click that like and subscribe button and click that notifications bell, write a comment down below. And I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye for now, and thank you for watching. So please be sure to hit that like, and please also remember to hit that subscribe button. And another way to subscribe is to just click on this link, which is below each video I place. And if you like my content and you want to find out more about what I do, I've also got an online course called Introduction to Computer Systems on the Udemy website. So you just need to click on it. And there we go. So this is my online course, Introduction to Computer Systems. So this is the landing page for that course. So in it, you will learn. So these are some of the things we'll learn, like explaining the role of the central processing unit, describe the components of the CPU, provide an introduction to assembly language, which is low-level programming, explain the factors that affect the performance of the central processing unit, and I've also put in another bit that I'm interested in, the physics of overclocking the CPU, which made me develop an interest in electronics and also physics. So there's a lot more to it than even we realized. So this is the course content. So you've got computer systems, so I'm introducing you to it. Then I'm going into the different forms of architecture and assembly language. Then I'm going into the factors that affect it and the physics of overclocking the CPU. And then I'm going into logic, so combinational logic systems, making the logic gates, sequential logic systems, semiconductors. Then I go into all things binary, where we introduce you to number systems, all the way down to doing binary and sound, images and text. And then finally we got input and output devices and the different forms of storage, so that's where memory will come in. And then my assessment is basically one big quiz of 30 questions. So you don't need any knowledge to do this course. All you need is a computer with stable internet connection. So that's all you really need there. And why you should do the course? Well, wherever I don't know, I'll go out and learn it. So the way my brain is wired is I'm on the autism spectrum. So it will be an asset in helping you get through the online courses that we provide. So we understand how to explain things in simple terms due to my teaching background. So you could think of us as a real-life version of, say, a Sheldon Cooper from Big Bang Theory, minus the rudeness, or a C-3PO, but without the glitches. So, I'm on the autism spectrum, so we're on the autism spectrum and have a rough idea on how to talk to them and relate to them. And my teaching style is that style I've crafted and one that works in a way that some people don't get if they only had tuition in the classroom or just want to study the subject a lot more. So this course provides you with the opportunity to go further than you would in the subject that you want to pursue. So those are some of the reasons why you should consider buying this online course, because once you buy it, it's yours for a lifetime. For some of my videos, I will go through programming tasks. So if you want to do these yourself, I have put a Replit link below on my programming videos. So you just click on REPL, and this is what you need if you haven't signed up at all. So you just click sign up. If you've got an account, you just click login, and once you've logged in or signed up, this is the page that will appear. So if I was to log in right now, this is the page. So this will appear. So that will be the page there. And in addition to all that, I am also a private tutor where I offer my private tutoring services specializing in ICT and computer science. And I look forward for you coming to me for lessons. Goodbye for now.